Banana, dì trơ. Peaches, dì lúa, là dì đua. Mangoes, dì trồng bùa. Guava, dì chốt thọ. Oranges, dì mà kiên là dì cắn dư. Cantaloupe, dì bang là dì ba. Papaya, dì màu quả. Watermelon, dì lá là dì lia. Pineapples, dì blue. Longan, dì lì chít là hầu là dì lì chít đào hầu. Korean melons, dì bà tlang là dì bà đa. What are you eating?
Rice and mati.
Rice, water?
Yes.
Mange lệ. Mange lệ. Rice in water.
Rice and water.
Mange lệ. Mange lệ. Say mange lệ. Okay, say chicken.
Chicken.
Cá cá.
Cá.
Cái.
Cái.
Okay. Mange lệ and cá cá. Good job.
This is a peach.
Speak louder in the camera. What do you have there, Barry?
Peach.
Peach?
Peach.
Show me your peach. Show it to the camera so I can see better. Yes, that's a peach. And how do you say that in Hmong?
More.
Yeah, how do you say that in Hmong?
Okay.
Say chít đua.
Chít chúa.
Chít lụa.
Chít quẹ.
Chít đua. Say chít đua.
Chít cổ.
Chít lụa. Say chít lụa.
Chít cổ.
Chít lụa. Or chít đua.
Chít cổ. Tên gì vậy?
Chít trơ. Say chít trơ.
Okay.
You say it, you don't say okay. What do you have there? Come on, có to chưa? Say teacher.
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 Say teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, banana.
Banana.
Teacher.
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 Banana.
Banana. 1, 2, 3.
What are you eating?
Strawberry.
Jello.
Jello.
Okay, what are you eating again? I am eating strawberry jello.
I am eating strawberry jello.
Okay, now you're gonna say guna.
Guna.
Strawberry jello.
Strawberry jello.
Okay, guna.
Guna.
Strawberry jello. Say it. It's your look over here.
Red apple.
What do you have there?
Red apple.
Say it louder.
Red apple.
Okay. Now you're gonna have to say in Hmong, okay? That's apple la.
Okay.
Say it. Apple la.
Apple.
Say it one more time. Apple la.
Apple.
Okay. Câu á chưa? Got that good look.
I'm doing my laundry.
You do your laundry? Okay.